Good morning, students. Today I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary question paper number 774. Yes. See the first 10 questions are on reading comprehension. Let us see the questions first. What is the first question? What is meant by manslaughter? Direct question from the passage. What are the dimensions of business ethics? Direct question from the passage. What can be the worst impact of unethical behavior in corporate world? Direct question. And once a company is known for having unethical behaviors, the effect can be, yes, it is also a direct question. Which of the following is definitely true in the context of the passage? Direct question. Yes, meaning is asked here. Next one also meaning is asked. Yes, meaning and meaning and yes. We have 5 direct questions. 5 questions on vocabulary. Yes. First, let us read the passage. What is this passage about? Ethics concern an individual's moral judgments about right and wrong. So ethics, this passage is about ethics, morality. Ethics concern an individual's moral judgments about right and wrong. Decisions taken within an organization may be made by individuals or groups, but whoever makes them will be influenced by culture of the company. Decision to behave ethically is a moral one. The decision to behave ethically is a moral one. Employees must decide what they think is the right course of action. This may involve rejecting the route that would lead to the biggest short-term profit. Ethical issues include, what are ethical issues? Rights and duties between a company and its employees, suppliers, customers, neighbors, its fiduciary responsibility. Fiduciary, here responsibility now, fiduciary responsibility, trustee, responsibility, reliable responsibility to its shareholders. Issues concerning relations between different companies include hostile takeover and industrial espionage. Noun form, it means gather information secretly. Gather information secretly. What do we call it? Spying. Spy. S-P-Y-I-N-G. Spying. Secret gathering of information. Yes. Related issues include governance, corporate, political contributions, legal issues such as the ethical debate over introducing a crime, corporate manslaughter. Manslaughter means killing a large number of people at a time. And the marketing of corporations ethics policies. Business ethics reflects, now first paragraph says something about ethics. This is about business ethics. Business ethics reflect the philosophy of business, one of whose aims is at determining the fundamental purposes of a company. If a company's purpose is to maximize shareholder returns, then sacrificing profits to other concerns is a violation of fiduciary responsibility. Business ethics is also known as corporate ethics. Business ethics is also known as corporate ethics, a form of applied ethics of professional ethics that examines ethical principles, moral or ethical problems that arise in a business environment. It applies to all aspects of business conduct, is relevant to the conduct of individuals and entire organizations. Business ethics has both, this is important, business ethics has both normative and descriptive dimensions. Normative and descriptive dimensions. As a corporate practice, career specialization, the field is primarily normative. Academics attempting to understand business behavior Employee descriptive methods. The range and quality of business ethical issues reflects the interaction of profit maximizing behavior, non-economic concerns. Ethical behavior and corporate social responsibility can bring significant benefits. It is important. Ethical behavior, social responsibility will bring benefits, profits in the business. Now, let us see the questions. What is meant by manslaughter? We have a word in the passage. Manslaughter means killing large number of people at a time. Manslaughter. We have this word in the first passage. This means killing a large number of people at a time. Let us see the options. First option, a kind of heinous crime. No. Heinous means mean. Heinous means mean. Mean means very bad. Very bad. Not correct option. Second one, it's all about foul play. Foul means no, against rule. Against rule. Legally killing of one human being, not one human being. It is not one human being. Killing without malicious forethought. Right answer. Malicious forethought. Malicious means fearful, frightful, threatening forethought. Without any forethought, going on killing large number of people. Right answer. Option 4, correct. Next question is, what are the dimensions of business ethics? Dimensions of business ethics. It is given in the passage clearly. What are the dimensions of business ethics? Here it is given clearly. Business ethics are both nominative and descriptive dimensions. Nominative and descriptive dimensions. See the options. Corporate ethics, no. Applied ethics, no. No. Corporate ethics, no. Applied ethics, no. Normative and descriptive, right answer. Option 3. So, option 3 is right answer. Next question. What can be the worst impact of unethical behavior? What can be the impact of unethical behavior? It can reduce the loyalty of customer? No. Reduce productivity? No. It may damage firm's reputation? No. It is said in the passage, if unethical methods are followed, a huge penalty will be levied and the businessman may be sent to jail also. Where is the option? Company can be charged by the counts and ordered to close down within a fine or jail or both. It is right answer. It is clearly given in the passage also. It is clearly given. Unethical primarily nominative academics descriptive by sensing, thereby increase the productivity, recruitment costs also attract, production reputation less appealing, is individuals primarily nominative, and employees also attract investors, reduce remuneration, court fees, unethical. Here it is given, code of conduct, company has unethical behavior charged by courts, they can wind up paying fine, court fee, may even receive some jail time. It is right answer. Option 4 is correct. Next question. What is known for having unethical behaviors? Once a company is known for unethical behavior, if company is known for unethical behavior, the effect can be permanent. Right answer. Negligible? No. Determined means strongly decided? No. Partial? No. Option 1 is correct. Next question. Next question is, which of the following is definitely true in the context of the passes. True. Profit maximization directly proportional to ethical behavior. People having ethical behavior always in loss at their working place. Corporate culture does not understand business behavior. Definitely true in the according to the passage, profit maximization directly proportional to ethical behavior. It is clearly given in the passage. Profit maximization directly proportional to ethical behavior. Yes, option 1 is correct. Fiduciary, that means trust. Employee, no. Depository, right answer. A person who is trusted, right. Guardian, no. Collector, no. Storekeeper, no. Option 2, correct. Next one is espionage, spying, right answer. Gathering information secretly, spying, correct. Information, no. Reforms, no. Norms means rules, no. Requirement means necessity, no. Option 1 is correct. Turn down means demolish, destroy. See option. Restored, no. Restored, not correct. Restored, not correct. Solvent, good word. Solvent means capable, not correct. Bulldoze means destroy, not correct. End, no. Demolish, right answer. Of course, bulldoze can also be used, but bulldoze is destruction by using something, with the help of a device, that is different. Demolish, right answer. Next, wind up. Wind up means close, stop. But we are asked opposite word. Start, right answer. Neglect, no. Conclude means end. Unsettled, normalized. Option 1 is correct. Next, bankrupt. Bankrupt means huge loss. Unable to clear debts. Unable, incapable. We require opposite word, no. Successful, no. Saved, no. Rich, no. Solvent, right answer. Solvent means capable. Bankrupt, solvent. We require opposite word. Bankrupt means unable, not capable of repaying. Solvent means capable. Complete, no. Option 4 is correct. Next, a sentence is given. It has been divided into 5 parts. We have to, sentence has been divided into 5 parts. One part is without error. The other 4 parts have errors. We have to find out the part without error. Let us see the first one. Egypt's endemic corruption and a sheer lack of desire. Egypt's endemic corruption and a sheer lack of desire among its government officials to do an honest day's work is beautifully captured in the Nile Hilton incident by Tariq, Swedish filmmaker of Egyptian origin. So I am reading the instruction once more. In each of the questions given below, a sentence is given which is divided into 5 parts. It is then followed by 5 options which gives the sequence of the correct parts. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence of the grammatically correct parts. If all the parts are grammatically correct, or if the correct sequence is not given in the option, choose option as the correct one. I am reading the first sentence. Egypt's endemic corruption and a sheer lack of desire. This part is correct. Egypt's endemic corruption and a sheer lack of desire among its government officials to do an honest day's work is beautifully captured. Correct. Is beautifully captured. It is in passive voice. Work is beautifully captured. Passive. In passive, we use past participle, third form of the verb. In the Nile Hilton incident by Tariq Saleh, a Swedish filmmaker of Egyptian origin, error is in part C. So without C, where is it? A, B, D, E. Option 3 correct. Next one is consequent to the preliminary evaluation of consequent to the preliminary evaluation of the impact of reportedly leaked CBSE class 10 maths paper, keeping in mind the paramount interest of students. CBSE have error. CBSE is one organization, singular. Have wrong. It takes has decided not to conduct exam. So error is in part D. Part D. So where is the answer? A, B, C, E. Correct. Next question. The instructions issued by the board to the centers included identifying a safe and secure room for installing of computers. Installation of computers. It is not installing computers. Installation of computers and printers and ensuring high-speed internet connection. So here there is installation. Option C wrong. Option C. So 1 is a right answer. If the central government would have taken error, if sentence begins with conjunction, if we call it conditional clause. In a conditional clause, we don't use would have. Would have in grammar is called conditional perfect tense. Would have, could have. We don't use would have, could have after conjunction if. So it is error. It must be past perfect had. If the central government had taken steps after March 20 when we gave them a memorandum to file a review petition, there would have been, this is correct. This is called main clause. This is called subordinate clause. In a main clause, we have conditional perfect tense. There is a clear rule. When the verb in the main clause is conditional perfect tense, the verb in the subordinate clause is past perfect tense. So here would have is replaced with had. Next sentence. Contemporary Egyptian cinema has its own style. Films that travel wide are usually because of their themes, not the filmmakers. Wrong. Not because of their themes and not the filmmaking, not makers, filmmaking. So I am reading again. Contemporary Egyptian cinema has its own style and films that travel wide are usually because of their themes, not the filmmaking, not filmmakers. Option E. So error is in the part E. So where is the answer? Without E, 2. Option 2 correct. Next sentence is the dam breached on Saturday. Breached. So divided, broken. Dam breached on Saturday and inundated several areas. Inundated means flow of water. Water flowed in several areas. Over 50 families evacuation by preposition. It takes passive verb, past participle. Evacuation wrong, evacuated. Over 50 families evacuated by the district administration are taking shelter in community halls. Error is in part B. Where is it? Option 1 is correct. Next sentence is, no major instance of violence was reported from any part of the state during the strike, which began at midnight on Sunday and had ended wrong. Had ended at midnight on Monday. Here we have simple past, began. Began on Sunday, ended on Monday. No need of past perfect tense. We discuss two past actions. So what happened on Sunday? Strike began. What happened on Monday? Strike ended. Both are simple past tense. Just delete had. Error is in part E, option 4. Government offices functioned with minimal attendance. Functioned past tense. While reading the sentence, you have to identify the tense of the verb. Government offices functioned with minimal attendance, but educational institutions will not function in most cases. Here it is simple past tense. Here will not function, simple feature. That is wrong. We have clear rule in grammar, sequence of tenses. When it is past, it should also be past, no? Will not function, wrong. Did not function, correct. Did not function. Here functioned, negative is did not function. See, I saw the movie, my brother did not see the movie. I went there, I did not go there. Like that. So, error is in part D. Part D. First option correct. Next one is, the police tried to mitigating error. To mitigating. After to, we always use base form of the verb. Mitigate means decrease. Decrease. The police tried to mitigate the difficulties of the passengers by pressing vans to ferry. Ferry means carry. To ferry the passengers to central points. Error is in first part A. So where is without A? Option 3 correct. The relatives also staged a brief dharna at the gate of the cargo terminal when they were telling that wrong. When they were told, it is passive voice. What is were here? B form. After B form in passive voice, we use past participle. They were told. I was told. He was told. Past participle. Telling wrong. Officials would not allow them to see the remains of the men. So error is in part C. Part C. Option 4 correct. Next. Sentence improvement. Sentence improvement. A part has been bolded. We have to find out whether there is an error or not. The Bright Line Initiative is a non-commercial coalition of leading global organizations will be dedicated to helping executives. It is error. Bright Line Initiative is a non-commercial coalition of leading global organization. Here we don't require verb. Will be verb here. We don't require verb here because it is not a clause. It is a phrase. In a phrase, we don't use verb. So here, will be is deleted. What is a phrase? What is a clause? You have to understand. You have to identify. While reading a sentence, you have to identify whether that group is a phrase or a clause. So the Bright Line Initiative is a non-commercial coalition of leading global organizations. This part is clause. Here it is subject, it is verb. Here it is not a clause. This is a phrase. In phrase we don't use verb. Will be is deleted. So this is correct. Dedicated to helping. Option 1 is correct. As China moves beyond manufacturing and becomes a leader in innovation, it has created new opportunities. It has created. See here, China moves, simple present tense. When this verb is simple present tense, the next class verb is also simple present or simple future. Simple present or simple future. As China moves beyond manufacturing and becomes, this verb is also simple present, becomes a leader in innovation, it creates, correct, creates. So we have three verbs in this sentence. First verb moves, simple present. Second verb becomes, simple present. Third verb should also has created, wrong, creates, correct. Where is it? It creates new opportunities. Option only 3. Option 1 is correct. He has clearly broken his promises. He was reluctant to pay attention to. He has clearly broken. He has clearly broken his promises. He was reluctant. Reluctant means oppose. Reluctance, noun. Reluctant. He was reluctant. Adjective. To pay attention to. He was reluctant to pay attention to. The noun attention always takes preposition to. It is correct. It seems it is correct. I am reading again. He has clearly broken his promises. He was reluctant to pay attention to the need to undo the injustice done to Sham. What are the options? He has reluctant to paying wrong. He is being reluctant meaningless. He had been reluctant. No. No correction required. Option 5. Norway, the happiest country in 2017, was nudged out of the top spot by Finland. Norway, see here, was nudged, no need of was. Here present perfect tense we use. Norway, the happiest country in 2017, has nudged out of the top spot by Finland. Present perfect tense. Has nudged out of. Is nudged, wrong. Is not passivized. Will nudged, meaningless. Option 2 correct. Only 2. Yes. Electricity is less user friendly than oil. It was hard to store. Electricity is. This is a general statement, no? We don't use past tense. It was hard to store, wrong. It is hard to store. What do we say? Electricity is less user friendly. It is hard to store. It has hard to store, wrong. It is going to hard, wrong. It is hard to store. Option 3 correct. Only 3. Second option. Yes, here connectives are given. We have to combine them. 2 statements are given. We have to combine them. Being stressful, excessive use of computers can be harmful to your health. So you are already stressful. If you use computers excessively, it is harmful. Let us see. Nevertheless. Nevertheless means in spite of. However, moreover, in addition to, on the other hand. 4 correct. In addition to being stressful, comma, excessive use of computers can be harmful to your health. Option 4 is correct. Next. The music was loud. It was enjoyable. Music was loud. It was enjoyable. Although, let us see. The music was loud. However, no. Nevertheless, yes, correct. Nevertheless. Nevertheless means in spite of. See, nevertheless loud noise of music. Nevertheless, the loud noise of music, it was enjoyable. Correct. Moreover, no. In addition to, instead of. Option 2 is correct. The gurgling stream means flow of water. While water flows, usually it makes a melodious noise. That is called gurgling sound. The howling wind added to the charm of place. So the noise of flow of water, the noise of blowing of wind, two are there. As long as no, furthermore no, along with moreover correct. How can we combine? The stream was gurgling. Moreover, the howling wind added to the charm of place. Option 4 is correct. Moreover means in addition to that. Sarah would not marry him. He proposed to her. Two statements. Sarah would not marry him. He proposed to her. Even if correct. What is the meaning? Even if he proposed to her, Sarah would not marry him. As though, no. Although can also be answered. And wrong, still wrong. Option 1 is exactly correct. 3 is also possible answer, that's all. Next one. Every child's face is different from every other. Every child's pattern of development is different. Yes, two statements. Every child's face is different. We have options. However, no. Furthermore, no. As though, as well, in the same way, correct. Every child's face is different from every other in the same way. That means at the same time, similarly, in the same way. Similarly, every child's pattern of development is different. Option 5, correct. So this is today's paper. We shall meet again.